A limited company landlord. PaTMa supports portfolios with multiple landlords. It supports individuals and companies as landlords, and any number of landlords are allowed. When you create a PaTMa account, a default landlord is added using your details, and you will be automatically set as an individual landlord. If you need to edit the default landlord from being an individual to being a company, click on the Edit button on the far right next to the default landlord's name. In the Type field, using the drop-down menu, select Limited Company. This will create a new field that says Company Name. Here you can enter the name of the limited company and then click Save. The default landlord will already be linked to any properties created, so making changes to it will be reflected on those properties.